how we gonna create Apple ID, okay, on your PC. So let me show you. First of all, you need to have iTunes in your PC. So I have already installed iTunes. Alright, so there it is. Okay, so first thing is you must have iTunes on your PC. The second thing, if you have your own Gmail account, so it will be easy to link with the Apple ID. How? Let me show you. Just click on Google Chrome. So we will make a new ID, okay, Gmail sign up. Okay, so we're gonna create a Gmail account first of all, so it will be easy for us. Like for example, I wanna make it for my friend, okay, Awais Khan, okay, last name Khan. Next, January 13, 1990, okay, gender male. Next, so let me put the username Awais Khan iCloud at gmail.com. Let me check it. Oh, there it is. Let me put password. So let's see if the password match. Okay, skip this. Okay, so the account is created, right? It was so easy. Agree. So the first step was clear. All right, is to create Apple ID through iTunes. Okay, so the first step was completed. We sign up for the Gmail account. So let's go for the second step. Just click on the iTunes, and when the iTunes application open, okay, so what we need to do, just click on the account, sign in, create new Apple ID. Just wait a while. Okay, it show me an email. Okay, so what we gonna put here, I will put the email which I already made on the Gmail. Okay, so it's Awais Khan iCloud at gmail.com. okay, so I will put the password. And verify the password. Okay, and I will select the country. I will make it for Pakistan, so definitely I will select the Pakistan. If you are outside of Pakistan, you are in UAE, so you select here UAE. Alright, select here United Arab Emirates. Okay, it's up to you in which country you are living, so you're gonna choose your own country. Okay, so for now I will select Pakistan. Click the term and condition and continue. Okay, the first name is Awais. Okay, surname is Khan. Date of birth is 15th Jan 1990. Okay, so they will ask me some questions, so it's okay if I will put the questions and I will skip this because it's private. Okay, completed everything. The questions I filled already, the 3 questions which was asking from me, so I filled it already. It's a private question, so that's why I skip it. So the next stage will be the payment method. You just choose none. Okay, your billing address, you need to choose the first name, last name, street address, and for example I need to put here just randomly city. Okay, and I just need to put few things, and I just want to create the account. Okay, so it's gonna ask that you should complete it. Okay, so I will just fill it. Okay, so they send me an email on that Gmail account which I already created, so let me check it there. They send us a code. Yeah, it is here. I will copy the code. Okay, and I will put it here. I will verify it. Once it verify, so it will definitely create my Apple account. So Awais Khan iCloud@gmail.com can now be used to access all Apple services. Continue. Okay, so that's it. It's so easy, guys, so easy. You're gonna download anything in your phone, your ID is